Hi guys, welcome to Motovan TV. I'm Fred. Today we're going to show you how to inspect your tires before you go out on that first ride of the season. First thing you want to do is check the tread depth on your tires. You want to make sure that the rubber on the tire is at least 1 millimeter over the tread depth indicator. All right, next we're going to check tire pressure. You're going to want to check your owner's manual for suggested OE tire pressure. To check your tire pressure, you're going to need a tire pressure gauge. Last, we're going to look at overall condition of the tire. So what you want to look for is either cracks or disintegration of the rubber on the tire. If you need new tires, please visit motovan.com for a selection of tires. For more specific details on what we learned today, visit the tips page on motovan.com.